Good morning and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. It's Thursday. Enjoying the warm weather? I am, and the cats are. Last night, it was a comfort food night. I started with a recipe from the English kitchen, and Marie gave me some last minute tips and tricks. Maybe not tricks, but some tips. Where I started with cream biscuits from scratch. And then I smothered that in homemade sausage gravy to make biscuits and gravy. I skipped the scrambled eggs altogether. One, because I was very, very tired. The meal was fantastic. The biscuits, I rolled them out a little too thin, and I personally think I used too small of a cutter. But that's okay. It still worked out wonderful. And I have snacks for later. So tonight is a culinary expedition night. We are in Iceland. I wasn't sure what I was going to find for Iceland. I've seen a lot of shows, TV programs and so forth on food and dishes from Iceland, and I'm going, oh boy. But I found something. I'm going to attempt the Icelandic name, Plokkfiskur, which translates or basically is a Icelandic fish stew. Yes, I know it's going to be like 90 degrees here, and here I am cooking a hot stew. The house itself right now is not getting hot, maybe just a tiny bit warm. But I look forward to this. It uses the favorite cod that I use from Winco. So and it looks really yummy. Really yummy. So after I get this all done, and in a little bit later, I'm doing a thing, and I will tell you more about that thing tomorrow because I don't want to jinx it. So on this Thursday, have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.